Good morning, students. Today, Geography, Unit 5, India Population, Transport, Communication and Trade. Today, I am going to take communication. Communication is the process of exchange of information is known as communication. Exchange of information is known as communication. Communication divided into two. One is the personal communication, another one is the mass communication. Communication divided into two. One is personal communication, second one is mass communication. First I am going to see personal communication. Personal communication means exchange of information in between the two, known as personal communication. There are a lot of personal communication is there through the postal communication, telephone communication, mobile communication, SMS, short message services, fax, internet, email, etc. These are all known as personal communication. Under the personal communication, postal services. In India, the postal service is the largest in the world. Postal services is the largest in the world. Many post offices is in India. There are a lot of post offices. Particularly, the rural areas covered more and more postal offices. In 1837, the postal services came into effect in our country. Postal services were started in 1837. The postal stamp were issued in 1852. 1852, postal stamp were issued. 1837, postal services were started in our country. The postal stamp was issued in 1852 in Karachi. First, initially, Karachi only, the postal stamp were issued in 1852 in Karachi. After that, quick mail service, QMS, quick mail services were started in 1975. Then, postal index number. The postal index number were started in 1972. Pin code number. Pin code number came into effect in 1972. Telecommunication. In India, telecommunication is the largest one in Asia. Apart from urban areas, villages covered more and more telephone communication. Particularly STD, subscribers trunk dialing, were established in the rural area. Village areas covered STD nowadays. And also, this is STD, subscribers trunk dialing within a country. Information were exchanges. within a country known as STD, subscriber strength dialing. And ISD were established in our country. International subscribers dialing. International subscribers dialing is known as ISD. It is an exchange of information in between the countries, India to other countries, like that. International subscribers dialing were established in our country. Mass communication system. Mass communication system were established in our country. The millions of people get information at the same time, known as mass communication. The mass communication system established in our country not only get information and also education also provided. More and more educational system were established in our country through the mass communication system. Not only in India, worldwide, education system were developed through the mass communication. Then entertainment. Mass communication are provided through the entertainment, through the millions of people were entertained in our country. The awareness programs were established through the mass communication. National policies and programs were established in our country through the mass communication system. It was divided into two. Mass communication system were divided into two. One is the print media, another one is the electronic media. Print media and another one is the electronic media. Mass communication system divided into two. One is the print media, another one is the electronic media. Now, electronic media. Listen here carefully, students. First one, radio. Through the radio broadcast, all the people can get a lot of information from the radio. Radio broadcast all over the country. People get a lot of information from the radio. In 1923, by Radio Club of Bombay, established the radio broadcast. The radio broadcast not only get information, the all over the world information we can get from the radio, and also development of socio-economic, cultural and educational system life also developed from the radio. Lot of information we can get from the radio. In India, All India Radio was established in 1936. From All India Radio, we can get a lot of information. After that, the All India Radio was renamed as Akashvani in 1957. In 1957, All India Radio was converted into Akashvani. In 1957, note it, students. Television. Television is also one of the mass communication system. From the television, audio visual medium we can get from the television. From the television, we can increase our knowledge. Lot of knowledge were increased from the television. We can get all the information from the TV. television. Television provided more and more educational system. The students can study more and more education from the television. Initially, in India, Doordarshan was established. DD, the national news, common national programs we can get from Doordarshan. Common national program we can get from Doordarshan. The rural areas also extended in that Doordarshan program. All the rural areas extended and connected the TV channels. Internet. Internet is one of the global system of computer. The computer provided more and more information. The global, worldwide information we can get from the computer. Particularly the internet can get a lot of information. The worldwide information we can get. That use the internet protocol suite. We can get a lot of information from the internet. It is the internet linked through the world, all over the world. Link is there. We can get more and more information from the internet. The social media sharing the information, internet information all over the people, country people. Print media. The print media is another one mass media, mass communication system. The print media established the newspapers. Newspapers is one of the powerful one. The lot of newspapers came from print media, and more information we can get from newspapers, daily newspapers, monthly news, magazines, like that. More and more information from the print media. The print media provided more and more information like local events, national events, international events to the people. Local events we can get from the print media, newspapers, and national level, India level, what are the information is there now? We can get daily from the newspaper, and international events also we can see in that newspapers noted. Once again, listen here carefully, students. I am going to recall communication. Communication is the process of exchange of information known as communication. Communication divided into two. One is the personal communication, another one is the mass communication. Personal communication is exchange of information in between the two, known as personal communication. The personal communication through the postal services, telephone services, mobile phone, SMS, fax, internet, email, etc. The personal communication were made. And the postal service, first one, postal services. The postal services is the largest in the world. Post offices, more and more post offices were located in our country. Particularly the rural areas, more and more post offices is that developed, established. In 1837, postal services were established in our country. The postal stamp were started, issued in 1852 in Karachi. The quick mail services were started in 1975. The pin code number, postal index number were established in 1972. Telephone communication. The telephone communication is one of the largest in Asia. India is the largest one in Asia. Apart from urban areas, village areas were covered. The STD services. STD means subscribers trunk dialing. Within a country, we can pass the communication. And ISD also established in our country. ISD means international subscribers dialing. The foreign, we can get information from the foreign countries like that through the telephone. ISD, international subscribers dialing. Noted. Mass communication system. Mass communication system means what? Millions of the people can get information at the same time, known as mass communication. Through the mass communication, education were provided, more and more education were provided to all the people. And entertainment also, we can get lot of entertainment at the same time. Mass communication, through the mass communication system. The awareness were allotted for all the people. Particularly the national policies and programs, awareness, were important. The mass communication system are divided into two. One is the print media, another one is the electronic media. Under the electronic media, the radio broadcast, television, internet is there. Radio broadcast is started in 1923 by the Radio Club of Bombay, and the radio from the radio we can get social, cultural, educational and other information, education information we can get from the radio. More and more information can get. And All India Radio was started in 1936. From the All India Radio, the national programs, the national countries' events, we can get information then and there from the All India Radio. It was started in 1936. After that, the All India Radio was renamed as Akashvani in 1957. 1957 it was established. Akashvani was established. From the Akashvani, more and more information we can get from the radio. Next, television. TV. Television is one of the audio-visual medium of information we can get. TV provided more and more educational system, education to the people. And initially in India, Doordarshan was started, DD channel was started. It is one of the common national program. More and more information we can get through the television. Particularly it extended the rural areas. Rural areas it's covered. The network were covered and all the people of rural area people can see the television and get lot of information, the country's information and world information also get by the rural people. Internet. Internet is one of the global system of computer. Computer education were provided and global system of computer network we can get. That use of internet protocol suite, internet information we can get. It is linked throughout the world. Throughout the world internet link is there. We can get a worldwide programs we can see through the internet. Immediately we can get a lot of information through the internet. And the social media also sharing the information of the internet. Noting. Print media. Second one, print media. Print media is one of the important one in our country. Through the print media, newspapers were powerful one. More and more people read out the newspaper daily. From the newspaper we can get a lot of information, social, economic, cultural and educational information we can get from the print media, newspapers. The country's events, world events we can see from the newspapers. Not only the local messages we can see from the newspaper, national, India level and international level, worldwide events we can get from print media. The people can get lot of information from the newspapers noted. Okay then, see you tomorrow students.